And I've got alongside none else but my good friend Danish Anis. Welcome, sir.
Starts off with a wide, just a fan, Rana Ashwag, no experts here. We're all fans of this beautiful game we know as tape ball cricket.
Oh, what a good return catch. He played that one straight back at the bowler and he didn't make any mistake. They lost their first wicket cheaply.
Some superhero reflexes from Shinwari there. It came to him super quick. He kept his eyes on the ball. Haris Ali Khan goes for a duck. It's 2 for 1.
Now Zain is taking strike. And Zain straight away hit that one up in the air. Another wicket goes down. Wickets are falling quickly. Wasim Shinwari getting another wicket. And North Nawabs now in a mile.
Look at the energy on the field at the moment. The Dabangs are absolutely loving it. That was once again a good delivery from Wasim. It was pacey. Zain could not time it as well as he wanted to. Goes for a duck. It's 2 for 2. We're back live now, and this one gets hit straight, and it's another beautiful catch. Oh my God, that is so very well taken out there in the boundary line. Raza there.
Wasim Shinwari, is he bowling on a Perth pitch or a Brisbane pitch, or is he still on the Moin Khan Academy's pitch? But batsmen are going out quite quickly.
It's not just his pace, Rana Ashwag, that's doing the batters here. It's his cleverness as well. Yahya Khan goes for a duck. It's 2 for 3. That was another beautiful delivery. Make that 4 for Wasim Shinwari. This is an exceptional spell of bowling here from Wasim.
Oh my God, what we are watching here. What a beauty of a ball, and look at the celebration. Shinwari is all over the moon, and why shouldn't he be? A bat gets out for naught. Outside the off stump, and go and fetch it back, said the batsman. Played a beautiful shot to the offside for 4, but that has been a sensational over. Absolutely. This is in the air, and it's gone to the boundary, a much needed one.
Irfan hit that so well, and from the moment it hit the bat,
this is a very good shot. All the way she goes for 6. But this 6, I think, will do a lot of good, not only for Sarmad, but also for their team that they now. I think he was into his stroke a bit too early, and the non-striker was very eager to take strike, and he was run out by miles. Throw hit the stumps, and there you see the crowd.
what is even up with you guys today? There was no run there. Especially when your team requires you to stay on the crease and you've left it. That was a good fielding effort from Shinwari. He's so on point today. Irfan Nazir goes for 12 for 5. It's 25 for 5.
That is going to be another wicket, and it is. And it's none else but Taimur Mirza, I reckon.
Yeah, what a catch that was from Taimur Mirza. This guy is so special with the bat, even on the field. It became a star in the sky. Took years to come down. It was moving as well. You could see it moving right when it was trying to come down, and he followed it. Usman Jan goes for a duck. It's 26 for 6.
New batter is Ali Sher, who tucks that one away down towards the deep backward square leg boundary for 4 runs.
By the way, what about Wasim?
Oh, that is really, really well played. Just a pickup shot. He didn't use his full force there. It was still good enough to go over the boundary line for a maximum. You spoke of Wasim Shinwari. He's been so good, taken 5 wickets already.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मतलब बिल्कुल मुश्किल वक्त चल रहा है, लेकिन ये है कि क्रिकेट है यार, आज उनका दिन है, कल हमारा होगा, तो ये चीज़ें तो चलती रहती हैं। वैसे ये है कि हमने सोचा था कि अभी फर्स्ट इनिंग में अच्छे कम रन पे रोकने का, थोड़ा एक आध बॉलर से थोड़ी मिस हो गई, कैचेज एक आध छूट गए, 2 बैक टू बैक हार भी गए, तो अगले 2 जीत के आप फिर दोबारा से ऊपर आ सकते हैं।
चले हम बात कर रहे हैं इसी दौरान एक और विकेट यहाँ पर लूज़ की है नॉर्थ नवाब्स की टीम ने। वेल टफ लक है, कोई मसला नहीं है, आगे अब मज़ीद मैचेस बाकी हैं।
Full toss, dispatch towards long off, and this time, no mistake, Wasim Shinwari was there. Another wicket.
Yeah, nothing seems to be working for the Nawabs. Yeah, it looks good. It's good. Let's move on. The umpires will have the last say. Excuse our excitement in the matter. Yeah, the slightest of the things excite us. Sarmat Hamid gone for 15 off 10. It's 41 for 8. Oh, that was a wild one. Taimur Mirza is like, what are you trying to do, young man? It's a no ball. It goes to the boundary line. Salman says, I'm just trying to help them out. That is very well hit. Hit flat. Oh my God! That is an absolute blinder. Did he have his fingers underneath there? I think he did. Eyeing at some serious pace. It was dipping right in front of him. Look at how quickly it's going out. Oh! Oh my God! That is just unreal. That is just unreal. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Saqib Lefty deserves all the praise he can get. Saram Kaka goes for a duck. It's 48 for 9.
Mohammad Ashraf Malinga, the last man in. Malinga, would you try to go and take a couple of runs for your team and save a defeat of an innings? On the other side, Salman. Up on in! Here we go! What a victory for the Bunks! Brilliant effort!
Yeah, he was smiling when he was about to face that one. I'm sure he's not smiling anymore. That was a ripper from Salman. Backs 3 wickets. This is a crushing defeat for the Nawabs. This is their second loss of the tournament. They've won just 1 match till now. Lost 2 now.
What a comeback from by the Bunks.